Build your base, 6 essential weightlifting moves for beginner strength gain. Stepping into the weight room for the first time can be intimidating. With rows of equipment and diverse exercises, where do you even begin? The good news is, building a strong foundation doesn't require complex routines or fancy machines. Here are 6 essential weightlifting moves for beginners, perfect for starting your strength training journey. 1. Compound squat. This king of exercises engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, strengthening your legs, core, and back. Begin with bodyweight squats, gradually progressing to holding dumbbells or a barbell. Remember to keep your back straight, core engaged, and knees aligned with your toes. 2. Push-up. This bodyweight exercise builds upper body strength, targeting your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Modify it by starting on your knees if needed, gradually progressing to full push-ups with proper form. Keep your body in a straight line, core engaged, and glutes squeezed. 3. Dumbbell row. This move strengthens your back muscles, improving posture and stability. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, hinge at your hips, and pull your elbows towards your sides, keeping your back flat and core engaged. 4. Overhead press. Whether with dumbbells or a barbell, this exercise strengthens your shoulders, triceps, and core. Start with light weights, press them overhead while maintaining proper form, keeping your core engaged and back straight. 5. Romanian deadlift. This exercise works your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back. Hinge at your hips, lowering the weights close to your legs while keeping your back straight and core engaged. Don't round your back. 6. Walking lunges. This move strengthens your legs and core while improving balance and coordination. Step forward with one leg, lowering your body until both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Push through your front heel to return to standing and repeat with the other leg. Remember, start with light weights and focus on proper form before increasing the weight. Warm up before each workout and cool down afterwards. Listen to your body and rest when needed. Consult a trainer or physical therapist for personalized guidance if needed. Beyond the moves. These exercises are just the beginning. As you progress, you can explore variations, add more weight, and incorporate other exercises to target specific muscle groups. Remember, consistency is key. Make strength training a regular part of your routine for optimal results.